We all love and want fit, lean, and healthiest body. But when it comes to workout and exercise, you feel like you want or need to do it, but you are not motivated enough. I got you, my goddess friend. In this video, you will discover how to make workout non-negotiable by adopting an elegant, disciplined mindset. And you will learn practical tips to love your workouts and exercise, and stay committed to your fitness and health goals. Hello, my beautiful friend. Welcome back to Haute Couture Life. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mana, and I'm here to help you to become the most beautiful and elegant lady inside out. If you would love to enhance your beauty and elegance from the inside out and be the most goddess version of yourself, please click the subscribe button and join our beautiful, gorgeous community. Today's video is all about how to cultivate elegant, disciplined mindset, especially when it comes to workout. Have you ever struggled to follow through on your exercise or workout routine? If so, you're in a perfect place, because I've been there too. But now I have developed and cultivated the elegant mindset that I truly enjoy my workout and exercise, and I'm so excited to share with you how you can do it too. This elegant discipline mindset is not only applicable to workouts and exercise, but also to your eating habit, creating businesses, studying classes, and everything in your life. So let's get started and discover how to embrace exercise with joy and grace. The first step to loving and enjoying your workout and exercise is to have a clear vision and a purpose, and understanding the love of nature. As a ladies, we often feel like we should do workout and exercise to stay fit and healthy. In this video, I talked about how important it is to drop all the shoulds to be your most beautiful and elegant version of yourself. So firstly, let's be clear about your ideal version of yourself after working out, and get clear about why would you love to work out and exercise. Once you truly understand your vision and purpose, you will be unstoppable. Because when your vision and purpose for exercising are strong enough, it becomes a must, not just a should. There is a profound difference between should and must. As Mr. Tony Robbins says, the difference between must and should is the life you want and the life you have. Also, it is very important to understand that nature's law. As human beings, we are designed to look for easy, instant, comfortable, and quick fixes, especially when it comes to health. But in nature, everything requires consistency, persistence, and commitment to get your desired result. And so you always wanted to focus on your dream version of yourself, who already achieved that fit and healthy body, and start thinking, feeling, and acting as her now to enjoy the process until you get the result. How would she show up for the workout? How does she enjoy exercise daily? Keep imagining your ideal or dream, the most beautiful version of yourself, and practice following steps. The second step to loving and enjoying your workout is change your focus and the words you use. We often forget how powerful our focus and the words we use are, and how completely we can control them. Let's practice them with elegant discipline. Instead of focusing on the discomfort or the pain of working out, let's change the focus to the beautiful results you will have. How your health and body are going to be amazing, and you will feel so good and energized after the workout. Have you ever experienced that Even you didn't feel like working out, you always loved the feeling after the workout. Doesn't it feel so good? You can always focus on that. Everything is energy and the words you speak are very, very powerful. If you catch yourself saying, I don't like working out, or I just don't enjoy exercise, shift your focus and language to something more beautiful and positive. If you keep saying, I'm so excited to see the result, I love honoring and taking care of my health and body, it feels so good after the workout, you will feel so different and you will be able to take inspired actions. The third step to loving and enjoying your workout is start small and keep the beautiful momentum going. You can begin with simple, small, and tiny movements, just like doing only 10 reps for each exercise. This makes exercise less overwhelming and helps you to avoid procrastination. If you set yourself a goal like 1 hour training every weekday, 30 reps for each part, it can be overwhelming. But starting just 10 reps sounds so much doable and fun, doesn't it? By starting small, you can gradually build up a consistent habit. Personally, I love to do ballet beautiful workout. And when I first started a few years ago, it was just a few times in a month. Then it became once in a week and twice in a week for an hour. And on other days, I do mini movement from that exercise as I began to enjoy the results as well. Please remember that your small daily habits can lead to long-term success. Once you get into the momentum, not only will your body love it, but you will start to enjoy it with little achievement and pride, and you will be able to create the beautiful identity of being you are the woman who commits and follows through for yourself no matter what. It is such a great feeling. Let's celebrate each time. The first step to loving and enjoying your workout is to find and enjoy your own exercise style. You can try many different activities until you find the one you truly enjoy. Whether it's tennis, aerial yoga, rebounding, or a specific workout routine, exploring different options will help you understand what works best for you. Even similar movements and exercises can feel totally different to different instructors, aren't they? There are many ways to make working out and exercising more enjoyable. You can listen to your favorite music or uplifting podcasts while you work out, or visualize your future self achieving the health and body you really want. Another way to enhance the experience is to wear cute workout outfits that makes you feel so excited. When you find a style of exercise that resonates with you, it transforms the entire experience and keep you motivated. The final step to loving and enjoying your workout is to be inspired and learn from role models. Of course, in our teens, 20s, and early 30s, we can look beautiful without any effort. But in the long term, we always want to prioritize exercising and workouts. Personally, I really love to watch videos of amazing raw vegan people such as Miss Cara Broadman, Mr. Marcus, and Mr. Lou Corona. These people are thriving in their 50s, 60s, and 70s and beyond, demonstrating the power of healthy lifestyle. They all have common practices. They know what to eat, they exercise a lot regularly, and they maintain the beautiful mindset. Watching and learning from them can be incredibly motivating. They show us that with the right mindset and healthy habits, it's possible to maintain health, beauty, and elegance at any age. I will add my favorite videos of the role models to the description box, so please check them out. As a bonus tip, let's create a beautiful and inspiring workout environment. Your surroundings can have a significant impact on your motivation and enjoyment. Whether it's at home or at the gym, try make your workout space inviting and aesthetically pleasing. You can add elements like fresh flowers, soft lighting, or even a vision board that includes images of your fitness goals and inspirations. Playing your favorite elegant music in the background can also set the mood and make the experiences more enjoyable. By creating a beautiful and inspiring environment, you will find it easier to look forward to your workouts and stay consistent. Please remember that your workout space is an extension of your mindset. A beautiful environment encourages a beautiful, healthy lifestyle. So take the time to curate the space that makes you feel good and motivate you to move. I believe that to be beautiful and elegant lady inside out, mastering what you eat, what to think, and how to style according to what you truly love is very crucial. With an elegant, disciplined mindset, you'll be unstoppable. Health is the ultimate foundation of our beauty and elegance. So let's make it a priority. If you tend to procrastinate or act based on your mood, you can check our blog post to overcome as well. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked today's video, please give it a like. Please feel free to share it with your friends, and please subscribe for more elegant contents to help you to become the goddess version of yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay beautiful and have a beautiful day, my goddess friend.